What's good, y'all? I know my hair look a little crazy and shit. HandSome Hustler gang, though. My baby is here. That's mommy. I'm about to show y'all my baby right now. Hold on. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. That's my little baby. You feel me? Babies, I just love him. My little baby Cashmere. But I'm gonna vlog some more later so y'all can see him when he up and shit. I'm tired as hell. I go, I grind, I grind.
HandSome Hustler gang. It's your boy LASKMG. I actually go by the name of Two Zone Baby now, you feel me? But me and my bro Chris, we decided to just jump back into this YouTube shit. Took a little break because I had a son and shit. My son's 10 months now, and I'm about to have a 6-year-old in August. So, I just been being a father. You feel me? Bro been on his grind doing his thing, but we about to just start hitting y'all in the head with these videos. Like, we got this quarantine going on. Can't really do too much, so he gonna give y'all a video one day. I'm gonna give y'all a video the next day. That's some Hustler gang. But I'm about to do this Nicole Kirklands joint, the DOJA Cat joint called Rules. So I'm about to see what it's heading for, and then we gonna get busy. Gang.
Like billions, shouting, digging, look at it. All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I'm need to say jealous. All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play with my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it.
Hey yo, listen, I've been gone for a minute, but I'm still the same type of dude. God damn, Nicole, you can't keep bending over like that in front of a nigga. God damn, like, let me get back into it. I ain't gonna stop it too much.
Oh, I want it. Play with my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Nigga, don't do it, you do it. You tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion. Telling me this and that, the third, that shit for the birds on ghosting. If you don't dive in that pussy like dolphins, if you don't dive in that pussy like oceans.
So this next
all y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I need to say jealous. All y'all bitches is.
Like, if I gotta stop this video on the same part every time, I will do so. Cause what the? Y'all just got them arched up. Tootsie slide. Y'all just got them arched up perfectly. Like, god damn. Yeah.
All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play with my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play with my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Nigga, don't do it, you do it. You tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion.
John with the pink hair. I need y'all to let me know who she is, because she is wilding out right now, and I'm loving every moment of it. So I need y'all to let me know who that is. Comment. Let me know who that is.
Ocean. Telling me this and that, the third, that shit for the birds on ghosting. If
Need
you
her
don't
IG,
dive in the pussy like dolphins, if you don't dive in the pussy like oceans, swings up eye, then they call it like oceans. Nigga, don't hop in the pussy, be open. Nigga, won't stop in the pussy like oceans. I make you horny, baby. All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I need to say.
I'm gonna just skip this little part. There we go. We back.
All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off.
Jade on her.
You ain't even
Listen, man. Listen, man. Like, oh my. Why y'all gotta like just have them like arched up like that? Like, it's like. Oh, bro, it's getting hot in
All y'all
here.
bitches is jealous, bitch. Said play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass and do the shit in slow motion.
Please do it in
You got a
slow
whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Nigga, don't do it, you blew it. You tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion. Telling me this and
Always
that,
rip it
throw
though.
that shit for the
I'm
birds,
glad
don't
I'm
go
back.
sin. If you don't dive in that pussy like dolphins. If you don't dive in that pussy like oceans. Swims up eye, then they call it like oceans. Nigga, don't hop in the pussy, be open. Nigga, won't stop in the pussy like oceans. I make you horny, baby. That's my ego that you stroking. Nigga, don't laugh, cause the pussy ain't joking. Nigga, don't splash when the pussy be soaking. Where that nigga who don't play mind games at? You got a fake gold chain or change that. Try to spit game while I'm on my way out. Ladies, where that nigga, man,
Me, so far, everybody doing an excellent job. Excellent job. Excellent job.
Maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions.
Let's see what y'all hitting for.
All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I meant to say jealous. All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Nigga, don't do it, you blew it. You tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion.
Yellow pants,
This and
back.
that, throw that shit for
Already
the
following
birds, don't go
IG
sin.
though.
If you don't dive in that pussy like dolphins. If you
Thinking
don't
ain't
dive in that pussy
Christina,
like
man.
oceans. Swims up eye, then they call it like oceans. Nigga, don't hop in the pussy, be open. Nigga, won't stop in the pussy like oceans. I make you horny, baby. That's my ego that you struggling.
Oh man, they got my favorite on here. Let me turn this shit up. They got my favorite on here.
All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is
The cameraman is superb every single time. Look, let me fix this shit for y'all. My fault. I got my shit all sticking up, but god damn, yo. My favorite is on here right now. And she aired that shit every single time. And she's looking scrumptious around. God damn. Off the. Ooh.
Wait, I'm here to say jealous. All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass, I'ma do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Nigga, don't do it, you blew it. You tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion.
I see you slip.
Telling me this and that,
still
throw that
looking at
shit
it. I
for
see
the
you
birds,
slip.
don't go sin. If you don't dive in that pussy like dolphins. If you don't dive in that pussy like oceans. Swims up eye, then they call it like oceans. Nigga, don't hop in the pussy, be open. Nigga, won't stop in that pussy like oceans. I make you horny, baby. That's my ego that you stroking. Nigga, don't laugh, cause the pussy ain't joking. Nigga, don't splash when the pussy be soaking. Where that nigga who don't play mind games at? You got a fake gold chain or change that. Try to spit game while I'm on my way out.
Y'all fucking this joint up, yo. Shout out all the ladies on this joint, yo. Y'all fucking this up.
Was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I meant to say jealous. All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play up my pussy, but don't play up my emotions. If you spend some money.
I need y'all to comment and let me know who this is with these blue sweatpants on in this group. Because she looking right. She looking right. I'm getting thirsty now. Like, I need y'all to let me know who that is. Please. Please let me know who that is, y'all. Please. I'm just asking nicely. Can y'all please let me know who that is? Like, God. I keep saying God damn because y'all just so beautiful. Y'all just ripping this fucking dance like this. Like,
Then baby, I just might fuck you. Wanna shake the ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I want it. Let my pussy, but don't
Baldino ripping that. Baldino in the back ripping that joint too.
then baby, I just might fuck you.
Let's go.
Wanna shake the ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I want it. Nigga, don't do it, you know you tryna catch spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion.
She want me. She want me. She want me. Call me, baby. Tell her right here. Black sweatpants. Black Pumas. Call me. Definitely call me. Definitely call me. But yeah, like, you know, Handsome Hustler Gang. My boy Chris from around the way, he got a video coming for y'all too. You dig what I'm saying? We gonna keep him going. We back. We sorry for the wait. We are sorry for the wait. But we appreciate each and every one of y'all for sticking around, you feel me? Lots of new comment. I say comment. Lots of new content. We gonna be posting. You understand? Hustler Gang, True Zone Baby.
I go, I grind, I grind.